Hello everyone, welcome back. After update to iOS 16.5.1, if your iPhone battery draining fast, then do the following steps. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, we have to launch settings. Here we have to tap on general and tap background app refresh and tap again background app refresh and turn off background app refresh. Then we have to go back to settings. Here we have to tap on battery and enable the low power mode. Then go back to settings and privacy, tap on tracking, turn off allow app to request to track, back to privacy, tap on location services and turn off location services. Now tap location alerts and show map in location alerts, turn off. Here we need to do one more thing. We have to go back to settings, connect to Wi-Fi and leave your iPhone for a couple of hours to complete the download and installation process of the new iOS version. Check one more thing, setting, general and tap on iPhone storage and make sure that iPhone is not running out of space. If iPhone is running out of space, then make some space in your iPhone by deleting unnecessary files, application, photos and videos from your WhatsApp and your iPhone gallery. Transfer reset iPhone, tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Now put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. And force close all the app that are running in the background and force restart your iPhone by quickly press and release volume up button. Quickly press and release volume down button and press side button until you get Apple logo, and also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please do like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.